ఎన్నిసార్లు చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. Oh, oh, oh. Hello humans, welcome to my channel. My name is Binny. I hope you all are doing well. This is my first video in the new year and I am really very excited. By the title you already know that it's going to be a TEMU haul. This is not just first TEMU haul on my channel. This is my first ever experience of TEMU because I've been living in Poland for 1.5 years now, but I have never ordered stuff. In fact, after coming to Poland is when I came to know that there's this app or website called TEMU and it has products with less prices, etc., just like Shein. So this is the first time I decided that I should try this app and see how the products are. Have them in front of me. Now because it was my first time, I did not order anything of clothing, footwear. I did not want to take any risk. So I just ordered accessories and household stuff. So of course there are hits and misses. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The first product I'm going to show you, I just am so happy. It's just so cute. I can't wait to use it, but even then, even if I don't use it, I'm just happy that I have it. I never was aware that there is such kind of a product in the market, but let me show you. So this is the product. It is something that holds your specs. It comes with a tag so that every time you need your specs or your goggles, you don't have to put your hands in the bag and then search for your goggles and everything. You just need to attach this to your handbag or backpack, anything, and you're sorted with your glasses. Be it normal spec, be it goggles, doesn't matter. But I would say definitely check this out. Whatever website, whatever app you're going for, do check this out. And I also want to mention that when I saw the prices in Poland for TEMU, I did not feel that it was very less or something. It was actually similar to Shein. And the next product is for winters, and especially here the temperature is always in single digit or in minus right now. So yeah, earmuffs. These are so cute. I mean, they are fluffy, the quality is good. You just need to take it out like this. It is so soft, it is so comfortable. It is, it covers your entire ears and keeps you warm. Of course, that is like the main purpose of this. But apart from that, it also looks cute. So that's definitely an advantage. So now I know that the weather is going to continue like this here for, some time. So not just in brown color, I also purchased the same product in black color. And that perfect black, and it looks so cute when you wear it. Keeps you warm, looks cute. What else do we want? The prices of all the products will be on the screen and the links will be in the description box in case if you want to check them out. The next product is a phone cover. This is how it looks. It's transparent so that the back color of your phone will be visible. It has this pink flowers, I should say actually not pink flowers but the cherry blossoms on it with nice snowflakes around it. So it's just beautiful. I'm going to put this immediately on my phone. It's so cute. I was just waiting to show it in this video so that I can use it on my phone. And the quality is also quite good and quite strong, I must say. It's like very flexible so that you can adjust it to your phone size accordingly. This is definitely a thumbs up from me. Now here comes the product in which I am the most disappointed. I ordered a few claw clips because I just had like one left. For women, how many ever claw clips or how many ever rubber bands, the basic black color which I can use on a regular basis. And I was so happy when I got it because the length or the size of it was just perfect. So I was happy about it. But within few seconds, I don't even know how this happened, but can you see? It already broke. So I can imagine the quality of this clip. I don't know if it happened in the transportation, during the delivery. I don't know how it happened. Because this is my first time, everything else looks good to me. This is the only product that has problem. Yeah, anyways, can't do anything about it. But I just wanted to inform that, I think quality of this claw clip is not that good. Now I have ordered a total of 4 claw clips including the black one. The next one is this. I just love the color. I mean, the gold color that is there here is just perfect. It's just that perfect golden sheen and everything that is going on. And yeah, it looks like good quality. Now this is not like plastic. It feels like some kind of metal that has been used and the grip is very strong. Yeah, what else do you want in a claw clip? So, but this is good. Now just another basic claw clip. This is in like green color. Looks perfect. Now this is plastic, so I am a little worried that I think I need to be a little careful. Somehow feels the same kind of plastic like the black one, so I'm a little worried about it. For now nothing has happened, so I would say the quality is okay. And yeah, just a claw clip. Now another claw clip. This is a small one, but I really like it. It's very cute. It's gray color. It's not completely black, it's not completely silver, but it's in that grayish color, the rustic gray color, and I'm really loving it. In case if someone has short hair, this would be really handy, because on the website I was seeing pictures wherein they use it just to add it to the ponytail from below, and it was looking very cute. So I was really intrigued by that idea and I got it, but unfortunately this was not fitting my hair size. So yeah, in case if you have a little medium length or short hair, I think this would look great. And yeah, but otherwise I can use it in many other ways, not just for the ponytail. So yeah, there are 3 home products that I have ordered. The first one are these washing bags. If you have some kind of clothing that is very delicate or something, then you can definitely use this. So far the quality looks good. You get a pair of 2, and pink color and white net bag. So there's nothing much to talk about it, it's just that so far the quality looks good. And the second product in the home category is this hand gloves. There's nothing much to say about it. It's a good quality. I'm really liking it. I did not use it yet, but by the touch of it and everything, it looks good. And yeah, good way to protect your hands when you're washing vessels, because you keep washing them and your hands get dry and all that stuff. So it's better to have these kind of hand gloves, just for cleaning purposes. And the next product, basically it's just an apron. I know that there are so many people who use aprons at their home and everything, but I have never done that. I don't know why. I have been cooking for God knows how long. I've been cooking for years, but I have never tried using an apron. So this time I thought maybe. It's a plain black cloth. It's a little transparent, doesn't matter, because at the end you're just going to use it while cooking, and it does not serve any other purpose. So it's not soft, it's very rough. I think it's because you will have so many stains when you keep cooking and everything, so I think it will be helpful in that way. It's good. I don't know how I missed this. When I was showing you the phone cover, I should have also showed you the AirPods case that I got. The one, it is so cute. It comes with a tag. Again, you can attach this to your bag whenever you go out. It's very, very handy. I think having tags to these kind of items is really helpful. It doesn't make the case uncomfortable to open or close, nothing. It's very simple. The cover adds protection, and also of course it looks cute. Here come the last few products. I have 2 bags for you. First thing I would like to appreciate with the bags is that the 2 bags that I ordered came in like a dust bag, and I think it's really good. Brown in color with nice gold detailing. It's a classy bag. This is a little different from the normal bags. You just need to press the button and it opens up. To maintain it, they have stuffed it with papers and everything, which I really appreciate. There's no zipper inside of the bag, but there is a pocket behind the bag. I would say I'm really impressed by the color. The quality is really good for the price. You can use the bag handle in the small length way, or the long way, like a sling bag. Of course you have that option, so it's really great. Here's another bag. Again, comes with the dust bag. Now this is a regular black bag, the classic black bag which every woman or every girl needs to have in their wardrobe. That little rustic gold is looking good with the brown color, and this kind of gold color is looking really good with the black one. And also it looks so cute because it has the heart detailing in the front. The only thing with this bag is it doesn't have multiple compartments inside or a zipper inside. It's just like one compartment as a whole, but you can still fit a lot of stuff in this. I really love it. This is my favorite. These are the evening gloves. You just need to wear a plain black dress or anything, just like a plain dress, and wear this on your hands. You will look like princess. I can't wait to style them, and the quality is really good. I did not expect this, but the quality, the sheer, the rhinestone detailing, everything is just perfect. You will definitely see me styling this on my shorts, so stay tuned. You guys let me know which one is your favorite product and which one would you like to purchase. I would really love to know that. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That really means everything to me. And do not forget to click that bell button so you will be notified whenever I am here. And for more personal updates, do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. Happy New Year once again. All you humans from wherever and whenever you're watching this video, have a great day ahead. Take care.